If my Gann strategy would have worked today on December 19th. Let's play it out. Just taking every first flip, so that's a buy. Got in late, way late. Just curious. On Kennel, the Heikinashi looks amazing, but I want to see how it looks. So it gets to that Gann level, which would be a take profit level. So I'd say that's a pretty cool buy. So we get a hold. Nothing's holding. Well, so look at that. So can I get down to that? Ooh, that hurts. Come on, get down to that again. Ooh, look at the open's brutal. Just bouncing around. So close to the Gann level that I want to get to. Nice. Close enough. I could have held on. No, look at it. Hit it. Oh, you bastard. Should have held on. So the Gann thing. Okay, so didn't catch off that level. Didn't catch. Okay, didn't. Oh, so we could get in. Oops, I was trying to get in. Wouldn't let me. Okay, I think I did 5. So we'll flatten that. Not bad. Okay. So we get a sell. Ooh, we get a sell. This is going to hurt us. Come on, what's it going to do? Yeah, I didn't get quite to the level. I got a little too early. Shoot, it did hit the level, but it did kind of come back against me a little bit there. A buy, nice. So if we can get a target of here, can we get the target? I think we got it. Yeah, we got it. Nice. So that did pretty well. Freaking awesome. Should have been trading my Gann strategy today. And this is on a 1 minute chart. Ooh, we got a sell there. So let's see if we can get down to here maybe. It won't work. Maybe let's see. Can we get one? So it's one, almost one Gann level. Come on, get to at least one. Got it. Got one Gann level. I like two. Maybe I could have held on a little longer, but yeah, could have trailed that down for a second Gann level. God, bastard. Ooh, could have got 3 almost. Not quite. Yeah, freaking kick ass. Oh man.